Hello, my name is Mike, and I just received my hair transplant from Hermest. It's been an amazing experience. Even before I booked this opportunity, they were communicative, they talked through the whole process, they've been friendly, and weeks before they kept communicating with me, letting me know what to expect. When I arrived, I was greeted at the door, everybody was very friendly, and I was immediately explained exactly what was going to happen on the operation day. During the operation, everyone was friendly, everyone was professional, they did a fantastic job, and again, they explained everything that was happening at every step so that I understood what was going well and what I needed to do moving forward. Now I'm on day 2. I just got my shampoo and washing. I am all set, and I'm looking forward to a great next 9 months where my hair grows and grows and grows. Thank you.